Hey guys, if you want to go from looking like this to this, keep on watching the video. Hi guys, welcome to Just Jamie. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for joining me, spending some time with me. If you're one of my older subscribers, thank you so much guys for coming back. You guys are the best. How's everyone's day going? I did some yoga earlier today. I feel so calm. I'm so collected. Yeah. So since I'm just chilling home today, I have nowhere to really go, do any chores or anything like that. That's a lie. Well, I do have chores, but I'm just not cleaning. I mean, I don't have to go outside for anything. And I thought, you know what? I might as well try some of the new products that I got from my Sephora haul the other day. So if you want to know how some of these products look on my skin, keep on watching. Guys, I'm feeling so calm. Do you like it when I talk like this? Okay, just kidding. Okay, so let's talk about the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. And then I'm probably just going to do like a really quick face. I honestly don't really have a plan. I'll just kind of make it happen. I'm not trying to get too glammed up just because I am going to be home all day. I don't have any chores. Yes. I don't have anyone to see. My man is coming home in the nighttime, so it's not like it really matters. So yeah. The Kosas Tinted Face Oil. I have the shade 7.5. The color is described as deep tan with warm undertones. So let me tell you guys a little bit about the tinted oil that I found on Kosas' website. So I'm gonna read my notes, always. The sweatpants of foundation, comfy makeup. So my vibe, clean, weightless foundation made with 6 nourishing botanical oils to moisturize an even skin tone. Cute. Goes on super easy like a serum, giving you a natural velvety finish that still looks like you and your skin. Wow. It comes in 16 sheer covered shades. To apply it, they recommend that you shake it up and use your fingertips to apply the product on your face. Totally my vibe. You guys know how much I like my fingers. Some of the key ingredients in this face oil are avocado, which is moisturizing, meadow foam oil, which is supposed to be plumping, and red raspberry oil, jojoba, jojoba, no, I think it's like jalapeno, so jojoba oil, which is supposed to be soothing, and rose hip seed oil, which is supposed to be brightening. So this is totally up my alley and I am so excited to try it. Honestly, this hair though, just keeping it real, do you know what I mean? The real. Let the transformation begin. The first thing I'm gonna do is shake it up. Whew. I think I've shaken enough. Let me just breathe for a second. Okay, calm down. The only thing I have on my face right now are my eyebrows. I did them off camera. Now we're gonna apply the tinted face oil. This color though, for my skin tone. It's gonna be so good on you. The coverage is amazing for tinted face oil. I feel like, I don't know, really evened out my skin tone really well. But I can still see the imperfections through my skin. But honestly, I don't mind that. I think it just looks really natural. It did a really good job covering up my hyperpigmentation as well. I'm going to be using my RMS concealer just because it's super dewy, natural. The shade that I'm using is shade number 55. So the concealer leaves a little bit of a dewy finish, so I'm gonna set the concealer with some powder. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder I just got from my Sephora haul video. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link it right up top. As you can see, my dark circles are still shining through my concealer, but I like that look because it looks natural, looks fresh, and I'm just staying home, so I feel like it's a perfect look for that. We need some color back in our face. Gonna use the Fenty Beauty Matchstix in Truffle. This is the Becca Beauty Sunlit Bronzer. The next product I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in Fuego Flush. So this blush does look really scary in the pan, but it's actually quite sheer. I had to put a lot of layers for the color to show up. So honestly guys, don't be afraid if you do pick up this blush. It does look really pretty on the skin. With my blush, I like to get really close to my nose almost, just because I feel like it gives it a more youthful look. A little bit on my nose too, in the middle. I'm gonna put a little bit of that cream blush by Fenty Beauty on my eyelid and see what it looks like. Gonna apply some mascara. How do you guys feel about the product on my skin? The Kosas Tinted Face Oil. I really love how natural it looks on my skin. I love the finish of it. It's glowy. It does feel like a serum. Surprisingly though, I feel like there's a lot more coverage than what I expected it to have. It doesn't feel like a foundation, but it does have the coverage of a medium coverage foundation, I would say. I was a little bit nervous trying a face oil just because I do have very sensitive skin and I am very prone to breakouts. But I mean, it's my first time trying it. It's only been like half an hour, so I can't really tell if it's gonna break me out or not. So I definitely recommend it to you guys. The Charlotte Tilbury powder, I was really skeptical about the color, but surprisingly, I love the color. It's very translucent. It does a really good job, as what it says, finishing your makeup, airbrushing my skin. And yeah, it's a great powder. I am obsessed with this Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in Fuego Flush. I love this color. Guys, the sun is coming up. I'm so excited. I want to thank you guys for taking some time out of your day and spending it with me. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I would love to know what you guys think about these products. And if you want to keep talking, you know my Instagram. It's just Jamie P. And hopefully I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Nobody was harmed in making of this video.